Alright, today we're testing out the ethos of the channel. What are we gonna do? Let's find out. So I'm gonna be honest, don't know exactly where we're going yet. Got a few ideas in mind, been exploring, talking to different people, and I really wanted to go to Echo Reservoir because it's really low right now and you're supposed to be able to drive right up to the lake. But they started construction recently, so it might be closed. So either way, we're gonna try that out. All my friends are gone, my brother's out of town, and no one's going paddleboarding with me, but I still really wanna get out. And so we're gonna make it happen. We're gonna create the world that we wanna live in today, right? Thinking I might throw on some Casey Musgraves, have a lonely weekend. And that might inspire me to listen to some of my 2010s country, because for some reason I love that on road trips. What do you listen to on road trips? Let me know in the comments below. Always looking for new music. Anyways, we're gonna get going. Holy cow, guys, we got up here. State Park is closed. It is under construction. You can see all the stuff they're tearing out. The lake is at 17%. You can see kind of where it should be and where it is. So there's some people fishing down here by the dam. Now there was people out on the water. There was a spot where people think went off on a dirt road and pulled up to the lake. So we might go check out what that's all about. But there's also lots of little spots that you can get out and kind of walk down to the lake. Try and find one of those because this looks pretty sweet and I want to be out here. This is looking pristine. We'll find a way. We're gonna create it. The life you're gonna remember. One's for you, Danny. See all kinds of people out. Alright, found a nice little spot. Parked the car on the side of the road. Got all our stuff together. Came down the little ledge. Should be good. I'm gonna find a little shady spot to pump up the board and stash some of the gear. And let's get out there. Alright guys, you might be asking, why did the GoPro cut out? Why does the footage look funny now? It's been a roller coaster of 30-40 minutes. Before we got here, I was like driving around, I was like, you know what, I haven't filmed in a couple weeks. Like, I'm enjoying getting back out there with my camera, seeing my GoPro and my dash. It was nice. It was like, alright, you know, I didn't want to get out today. I was feeling a little lazy, but I did it. And like, I'm glad I'm out here. Started trucking through the sand, pumping up the paddleboard, and I was just like, why am I here? Started to get out in the water, and I was like, alright, we're good again. Today's a good day. I got my feel good music going. Start going out, and the GoPro battery dies, which you kind of expected. And so I switched the battery and it's not turning on. Maybe I didn't charge it, I don't know. I guess I didn't go pro. I went amateur. I'm a Go amateur, not a GoPro. Anyways, I've decided to take control of my day and have a good day, which is in the end, I guess the lesson that we're teaching every day, right? Is that we create the world we want to live in. We're in charge of everything. And so figured I'd end the vlog here on my phone. I could, record whatever else I wanted to that way. Remember to roll with the punches always. You determine how your day goes, not the circumstances, not anyone else. Always go out and create a good day. Make sure you have a good one. My Aunt Tina always told me that. My Aunt Tina doesn't say, have a good day. She says, make it a good day. And so that's another thing I always try to live by. Make it a good day. Go create your world. Have fun. Please remember to subscribe. We're gonna have some fun this fall. Gonna try and get out paddleboarding some more as well next week. So come on back if you want to come out. Let me know. Hit me up in the comments below on Instagram at Chris Creates the World. Message me. Respond to any stories, whatever. Let's get you out here. Let's have some fun. and let's go create our world. But it's pretty sweet out here, man. Because the lake's so low, it's 17%. There's no motorized vehicles. And so it's just like a haven for paddleboarding and kayakers. There's a bunch of people out here, but there's still plenty of room. There's a ton of fish. Like I can just see the fish jumping everywhere. Oh, there's one 20 feet away from me. Let's see if I can find some for you. I'm just gonna relax, gonna hang out, you know, enjoy paddleboarding instead of feel the need to record it. All packed up. Got back in. Wasn't as bad as I thought it was at first. Actually had a pretty good time. I had a couple good moments out there. One of my favorite songs from my youth came up, The Adventure of Angels and Airwaves. I was there almost asleep, hanging out, and then it got dark, and I like kind of opened my eyes. There was a big cloud that was covering the sun, and then right as the vocals came in for the first verse is when the sun came up behind the clouds, and it was like, oh, this is nice. That was cool. So good moments. I'm gonna head out. I saw some signs going through Colville about a fair that might be in town, so I'm gonna go check that out.
On the boats and on the planes, they're coming to America.
Alright, turns out it was the Summit County Fair here in Colville, Utah. It's pretty sweet. We got a little carnival set up, a band that was playing, and a bunch of food carts. So I'm gonna go get some food, probably some barbecue brisket and a limeade. That's my plan. All right, that was the Summit County Fair. Got some barbecue, some limeade. Successful day. I felt so out of place wearing my flip-flops, Star Wars shirt, and surf hat. There's a lot of cowboy hats, a lot of cowboy boots. So I was probably looking like some city slicker. Thought I'd stop by because I was in the area, saw the sign, thought, heck, why not? Let's create a world of Summit County Fair. Thanks for watching today. I had fun. I hope you had fun watching. Please remember to subscribe. It goes a long way. Really appreciate it. Make sure to watch one of my other paddleboarding videos, Echo Reservoir Tip of Fork, if you want to see some other places to paddleboard in Utah. I'm gonna get driving home, but remember to make it a good day and go create your world.